In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the McDonald's app stuck on an old order. Let's get started. First, refresh the app. If you're on the order screen, swipe down to perform a full to refresh if that option is available. You can also completely close the McDonald's app and reopen it. This forces the app to reconnect with McDonald's servers and check for updated order information. Next thing you want to do is clear cache for the app, so launch settings. Now go to the option general. Head over to the option storage. From the list of apps, find McDonald's and launch it. Now click on Upload app, confirm it, then click on Reinstall app. Next up, head back. Now launch your App Store or Play Store, search for McDonald's. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, ensure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also give a fresh restart to your router if you are connected to Wi-Fi. If you have enabled VPN, you will need to disable it. VPN connections can occasionally interfere with app communication. If the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete McDonald's app. For that, press and hold on the McDonald's app, select the option Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Now head over to App Store or Play Store, search for McDonald's and download it. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix McDonald's app when it's stuck on an old order. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.